Hey, what's up, y'all? Danny with Vanlife Northwest coming to you today with this 1993 MITSUBISHI Delica Chamonix. It's an L300 Delica, and it has the 2.5 liter turbo diesel 4D56. Nice little motor, pretty heavy duty, long lasting motor. This is the Chamonix model, which from my understanding, has to do with there's a few things, particularly the trim, the styling. I believe also it has limited slip rear diff. And the way you can tell that is, here we go. Open this door. If you have that little red sticker on your Delica, it means you have a limited slip rear diff. Nice little touch. How about that carpet too? Look at this. I don't know what this reminds me of. Maybe a sprinkled donut or something. It's one of those things, you love it or you hate it. I actually love it, personally. It's so tacky in the best way possible. Some of these old vans are tacky in the worst way possible, but this one happens to be in the best way possible, in my opinion. This thing is an 8-seater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with this jump seat, 7, 8 up front. Here's a close-up of the upholstery. So what you may not be able to see in this video is that this paint, until today, I thought that this paint was just black, but it is a metallic black with green flake in it. And this, as you can see here, the Chamonix decal is actually a hologram. Very cool. A lot of love went into this van, as usual, with all the vehicles we sell. This thing had a full timing belt job, hose replacement. I've gone into it before with the timing belt job and the full maintenance update. It's basically every damn little thing you need to do to these things to make them ready to go. They're great vans, but you need to do those things. They are 25 years old, at least. Also, brand new tires on this guy. New front brakes. So the buyer is going to be taking all this interior out of the back of the van, and that's fine, but damn, this carpet though. I'd want to incorporate that somehow if it was me. I don't know how, but yeah, like I said, they're pulling everything out and turning it into a camper, which, of course, it's a great idea. But hopefully he preserves some of that original touches. So I think that's about it. I guess I can quickly go into the work we did, just real quick. Timing belt, water pump, thermostat, idler, pulley for both the timing belts and the balance shaft belt. This has a balance shaft. Both the balance shaft oil seals, the camshaft and crankshaft oil seals. All the dry belts. All the fluids. All the filters. That's front and rear diff, gear oil, transfer case oil, transmission oil. This is a manual transmission 5-speed, which is really quite nice. A lot of control climbing hills. New front brakes. And probably a hell of a lot more I'm forgetting right now. But if y'all are interested in having a Delica, great vans, we do have a few really nice ones in the works. So reach out, say what's up. Hit us up on Instagram, Vanlife Northwest, or good old vanlifenorthwest.com. Peep out the sold section. Great resource for the kind of models that are out there available, as well as a portfolio for the work we produce. Hope you're all having a good one out there in cyberspace. Take care, get outside, enjoy yourself. See you next time.